everybody, I'm at Family Dollar and I'm here to share with you guys the deal that I did at the store for the 5 off of 25 Saturday only deal. The first item you want to grab is the refills of the Dawn Power Wash. You're going to use the $3.99 off of 2 digital coupon. Comes out to be just $4.01 for both of them. The next deal we're going to do is the Febreze. These are $3 each. You're going to get 2 of them. You're going to want to use the 3 off of 2 digital coupon. I scanned it. It did not pop up, but once I found the coupon, I clicked the scan button and my product that I got worked. The next item you're going to grab is the Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $3.75. You're going to use the $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying $1.75, but there is a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making this $1.25. You're going to grab the $3 off Oral-B toothbrush, and you want to use the $2 off Oral-B digital coupon. You'll get this for $1. Then you're going to grab the Tide laundry detergent. You can do the pods or the liquid or however you want to do it, but these are on sale for $4.95. You're going to use the $1 off digital coupon, making these $3.95. Total for everything comes out to be $25.70. You're going to use the $1, $2 off, $2 off, 3 off of 2, and 3 off of 2, and then submit. You'll end up paying $8.71. You're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents, making your final total for 7 items just $8.21. Great deal. Not on the toothpaste, but I think for the Tide and the Power Wash. Now, these are the Apple ones. The apple ones are okay. I like the fresh scent better, but my store only sells the refills of the apples, but I will take it. But for $8.21, that's $1.17 each. I will take it. I think that's a great deal. Happy Saturday couponing for you guys, and I'll see you guys all later. Check out my YouTube channel for some more awesome deals if you are not subscribed to my channel.